How to love. These things I command you, that ye love one another. John chapter 15 verse 17. How are we to love? We are to love as God loves us. We are to show acceptance and appreciation. To accept each other as God accepts us. Too many parents refuse to accept and appreciate their children for what they are. That is why 1 million American children ran away from home last year. A team of Yale researchers has concluded that the majority of these runaways were attempting to escape an unhappy family situation. They yearn to be appreciated. The causes of delinquency, we are told, are broken homes, poverty, lack of recreational facilities, poor physical health, racism, working mothers, and so on. The experts never seem to mention the lack of love, or the lack of faith in God. Yet these are the two most important elements for an adolescent's successful maturity. How long has it been since you praised your children instead of criticizing them? David prayed for Solomon and daily praised him, and we are to praise our children daily. Praise your wife. I have found that praise goes a lot further than criticism. Everybody needs to be appreciated. Prayer for the day. It is so easy to criticize those close to me, but Lord, give me your unreserved love so that they may know how deeply I appreciate.